So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing super fine. So yeah, let's begin with today's video. Today's video is all about countdown timer. So in this I'll be actually using auto animate as well. So for this, first we'll have to make a proper layout for this. What I'll do is I will just put a block where I can put my numbers. So even before that, I'll just put one box with some color. I am not sure today's color palette, so I'll just experiment. I think I'll go with this yellow. Looks fine to me. I'll reduce the height of this so that I can fit in my button. So this will be our complete button. So what I'll do is I'll just give 4 yeah, this should be actually fine. I'll just center line this. Not this bottom also, I'll keep it here. So basically I'll just keep this one. I'll increase the size all the way up. Okay, or who am I kidding to? I'll just make 2 circles or squares actually. I'll make what just happened? I'll rotate this. I'll keep this down. So I think, yeah, fine. Yep, super fine. I'll just fill this with the yellow thing, a little apart from each other so that it is nice to look at. So what I'll be doing is I'll be actually filling this as the same color as yellow. I'm giving it a rounded curve, removing the border, and yeah, I'll just type in some random numbers, 0, and for this I will actually look into something rectangular. You know, XD could have given the font, what do you say, font style, how it will look with the thing, or at least something related to that, like the style how it should have looked. But yeah, it's not there. Not a problem though. Historic, that is nothing. Just let me see for something. Script empty, no script. At least even filtering option should have been a good way to see. Interesting. Okay, how does one look here? Not legible. Not legible. Palestine empty extra. Oh, I actually want a condensed font. So what I'll do is I'll try condensed, or else what I'll do is I'll go to Edge and I'll search for something like Google Fonts. I'll go to Google Fonts. Google Fonts. Once I go there, I'll actually search for something category self-written. I'll give you monospace thing. Monospace doesn't look good. Sans serif, font property, condensed number of styles, all, thickness, slant, width. I'm unable to find it. What do I find out? Do I type in condensed? There are 3 styles in open sans condensed. This should be actually, but I'll see if it is there. open sense. Open sense we don't, I think. Just let me see. I'll have to download that again. Let's look for a good font. Condensed. How are the numbers in this? This is actually looking good, but I want numbers. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, interesting. Barlow condensed. So what I'll do is I'll just download the family itself. So I'll open it. I will go to Barlow. This thing. I will extract all. I'll go to browse. I'll just go to work, font, new folder, and Barlow, select folder, extract. And now it's time to go to, okay, it automatically opened Barlow thing. I'll select all. I'll select everything, right click, install for all users. I'll install within few seconds, and then we're actually good to go to XD, and we'll go to Barlow. Hasn't it come? We have Barlow condensed, italic, condensed, medium. We'll keep. So what I'll do is I'll give a 0. Yep, perfect. Looks nice. I think I'll keep this as the font, like the color of the font. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll give a 5 here. Okay. So I'll give a start button saying start, maybe rectangle, proper rectangle. Not a proper though, but yeah, rounded corners would be nice. I'll remove this. I'll put a text saying start. Oh my goodness, that's a big font. The font is really tall actually, to be honest. I'll go with, let this be here only, I don't mind. So yeah, this is our countdown timer UI done. One more thing I can add is a little illustration in the back, something like this, giving it a, I'll just drop it back, give this color, remove this, give it a, and reduce opacity, give this. Okay, I'll take one into the white. So we'll have some sort of design in this. We'll have something like a leafy design in that way, in the background. Meanwhile, I'll just show you how animate works, auto animate works. You can see, okay, our design is actually ready. So what I'll do is I'll just take this, okay, this one, no, and this one. Okay, what I'll do is I'll just delete that, make it a small one, drag it again here, pull it up and check the height. The height needs to be smaller. So yeah, we have our smaller size. I'll just put 4. Again, drag it in the same way, delete this, and I can drag this. It fits properly, and then I'll come again, put a 3. Yeah, I'll just try it out. Okay, I'll just try it out. Prototype, give this button an action, tap, auto animate, ease in, ease out. So I'll just put this board and give time. 1 second I'll give us. No, not 1 second, but I'll actually give it maybe 0.3 seconds. Yeah, time 0.3 seconds, ease in, is out. Okay, 0.3 seconds. Okay, I'll just try anyway. Okay, this looks interesting. Something needs to be tweaked. Ease in, ease out. I'll make this as 2 seconds. You will actually have to experiment a lot in animation part here. Okay, this should go to 2 seconds as well. So let's see. It is not smooth enough though. It is not smooth enough. But yeah, okay, we can actually manage it out. Or actually we needed to keep this as a art. I mean vector format, not text format. Design, let's switch back to design. Let's try one more type of thing. Okay, let's go to increasing this. Oh my goodness. Okay, 77. We'll give this 2 and increase this. Reduce the font, drag it all the way down. Drag it all the way up. Make it 1 and oh. Let's go make it and give it a center line. So what I'll do is I'll actually have to give a stop here. Stop. Control A, Control C, Shift C. Yeah, I'll make this all center lined. Once these are all center lined, I hope, yeah, I can just keep on. I'll press T for text icon, Control A, Control V, Shift, Control A, Control V, Shift, Control A, Control V. I will shift. It's actually not Shift key, but yeah, Control V, Control A, Control V, and then Control A, Control V. Okay, so what will give functionality for this is, so basically prototyping, start now, Control V, Shift C. If we give one stop, it should come back to this form itself. On tap only, it'll actually take, it'll automatically take it as tap. We'll keep it all to 5 seconds. So yeah, Let me just, okay, we have not connected all the hardboards properly. The last hardboard goes back to the same hardboard one, but I don't know what is missing here, but yeah, let's try it out. Start. Okay, what I'll try doing is I'll just select the time, give it a 0 0 0, and this also 0 0 0, so that it'll move smoothly, so that it doesn't stop. Oh my goodness, that is a really bad thing. I'll give this a 2-second intro. Interesting. Let me just give this also 2-second, but what if I give this 0 0? Start. Stop. Our functionality is working fine. If we are stopping, we'll come back to 5. So yeah, here is the video. I hope you have enjoyed it. I hope you have learned something. I hope I've given you value. And yeah, thank you for watching today's video. I hope you like, share and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the bell icon. And yeah, do comment on what feedback you have, what I can improve on. So yeah, that's it for the day. See you in the next video.